So this is what you are going to need for this video. Of course, the hair, which is a must, a straw and a Vaseline. So as usual, I just start by sectioning my hair. My hair is already pre-stretched, so I'm just going in and sectioning the hair and then start the job. And don't forget to comb the hair properly so that it will be tangled free. So when you put the hair on the straw, it's up to you if you want to hold on to it equally, or you are going to make it much more longer by not holding it equally. So that's up to you. But for this video, I hold on to the hair equally. So now to curl the hair on the straw. After you put the hair on the straw, you are going to turn the straw for 3 times. Don't turn the straw and then leave it after the 3 times. As you can see, if you leave it, it will loose back. So you are going to hold, turn and hold on to it very tight, not very tight but tight. So the hand that is holding the straw on the top is going to be like a support system so that the hair don't loose back. So you are constantly going to hold on to the straw on top so it don't lose back. When the hair remaining to curl on the straw is already short, this is what you are going to do. You are not going to space it anymore while curling it. You are going to curl the hair on top of itself, because if you don't do it like that, immediately you think you are done, the hair is going to loose back. So in order to get the hair tightening on the straw on the ends, make sure that you do it as I see. Let me get this in a slow-mo and closer for you guys so you can see what I'm explaining much more better. So as usual, sectioning the hair, and the process is just the same. The only thing is that the curling process on the straw. When curling this one, you are going to space it. Unlike the first method, you're not going to space it. Everything is clustered to each other. But as for this one, you are going to space it, as you can see me doing it on the video. That's the only difference. The way you seal the ends are the same. The only difference is that using this method you space it out because you want the curls to be like a wavy, or the curls to be a little bit longer. A tip I want to give you is that when curling the hair on the straw, make sure that you don't hold on to the straw extremely hard, because the straw is just a rubber. So if you are going to hold on to it extremely hard, it will bend. Yes, so be kind of a little bit soft soft, mixing it with small hardness. Don't be too hard on it, because you can reuse the straw again if you don't mess it up. A lot of people say that the straw cannot be reusable, but I'm telling you, I have reused mine for months and months because I'm not being too hard on it. So it can be reusable if you are a little bit soft and not too hard. So yes, this was what I was able to get. As you can see, the colors are very neat, so beautiful. Try this out, guys. So next, you are going to use your Vaseline and put it in the hot water that you've already boiled. Let it be a boiling water, please, and then soak the straw in it for about 5 minutes. And after the 5 minutes, you can take it out. And yes, so another technical part, if you want your straw to be usable, is how you take off the hair on the straw. So it's simple, just hold it on the top and then draw. So you are going to hold it at the right top, because you usually don't use the right top when curling the hair on the straw. So hold it on the right top and then just gently pull it down. Just that. If you do it like this, I'm telling you, your straw can be reusable. You can use it as much as you can, and you should know that at this time that you are pulling out this hair on the straw, you've already put some Vaseline in the water, so the straw is a little bit slippery, so it's kind of a little bit tricky. So yes, as you can see right now, I'm struggling. You see the Vaseline is coming off the straw. I'm struggling to get the ear off the straw. So if the ear is too tight on the straw, like pump it, like from the ends, like turn it, give it a little bit, just baby the hair, so you can come off the straw without you destroying the straw, so you can reuse it. So yes, that's just it. So this was what I was able to achieve from the two methods. Hope you love this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't also forget to like this video, comment down in the comment section below about what you think about this video. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you. And until next time, I say bye bye.